This is Kai's unique way of eating chocolate. She asked me to put her on the chair, give her a spoon and a bowl, and put the chocolate in the bowl. What are you eating, Kai? What's that? Chocolate? Enjoy? Oh, coin. Chocolate coin? Yum. Oh, you have to put it in your spoon? Uh-huh. Okay. What's that?
I combine my Transformers together.
Wow.
Ultimate robot. What's the super mode?
That's cool. Look what your sister's doing, Kai. Nico. Yum. Sarap, Kai. Sarap. Yup. Chocolate. Oh, that's the last one, ah. After that, wala na. The last piece. What do you say? Oh, eat that na. It's the last one. No more chocolate. Okay. Say Kai. Finished? Finish eating? Oh, you're gonna put the plate out now? Okay, bye. Say bye to the camera. Kai. Kai.
Bye.
Look at mommy. Say bye. Bye.
Bye.